Candy Sherwin. Thanks for coming here to this YouTube channel once again to learn a very simple beginner line dance called B.O.B, Big Old Butt. This is choreographed by Rick Dominguez, and it is a very simple 32 count, 2-wall beginner dance that just allows your body to have a lot of rock and roll and soul and just kind of have fun with your movement. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this, turn around, and let's learn this dance. Okay, super easy beginning. To the right with a grapevine, step right, cut left behind, step right, touch your left next to the right. Take your left foot at a diagonal, pushing your hips forward as you do. Forward, back, forward, back. So you are weighted on that right leg. You have to the right, right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What you just did to the right for the second 8, let's take it to the left. Left, right, left, together. Same thing on the right diagonal. Forward and back and forward and back. Weighted on your left. You just learned half the dance. So let's just do that with counts. 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Push 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Here's all your weight on that left foot to take your third count of 8, which is a K step. That goes back and forth, kind of like a boomerang. You're going to step diagonal, together, go back where you started, together. Take it back, back, together, and forward, together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's an optional clap if you feel like adding it in every time, once in a while, no time. It's up to you. So with the clap, it would be on the touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have the very last count of 8. So you've done your grapevines, your rock and roll twice, you do your K step. Now we're going to finish this off with a very simple rocking chair. Stepping forward on your right foot, right, rock, recover back on your left, step back on your right, rock, recover left. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the simplified version of this is we're doing a little chug pushing back. So our right shoulder is going to lead back, but we're going to step forward on the right, side on the right, side on the right, side on the right. Now what happens is you're literally kind of shifting your weight 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The most important thing is that you get those 4 and you're facing 6 o'clock. Okay, the exact position kind of comes as you get there. But we're going to add a little arm movement, a little body thing that happens on that. You're going to press back with that arm. So what's going to happen is we're going to go back, 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 back. So you're going pop, pop, right? That's kind of the movement that you're trying to get with your body. And you'll hear it with the music. And there's 4 of those. So we do this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then my weight is here because I've gone 8 and I start my grapevine. Yeah? So each of those little chugs is basically right, left, right, left, right, left. And that's how you paddle yourself around to get to the back wall. You get to 6 o'clock, that is the whole dance. You start it over again because it is a beginner dance. There aren't any tags or restarts. So let's go through this at both walls. See how it feels. 5, 6, 7. Take your vine on a right, 2, 3. Push it on 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 with a K. You can clap or not. 6, 7, and we go rocking chair, and right, and right, and right, and right. We go right, 2, 3, 4, and you push. 6, 7, 8, you go left, 2, 3, 4, push it. Remember, this is on a diagonal, and that sets you up to do your K, whether you clap or not, and rocking chair, and and push and push and push and push. 1. And you start. And that's the whole dance. The song is also called B.O.B, Bob, and has a little period between each one. Big old butt. And other than that, I think what we need to do now is just dance it, put it to some music, have some fun. Okay? All right.
Too much booty in the pants, 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 too much booty in the pants,
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Push it out. Push it out.
it's just in now, the way you move, that big old butt, that one I love. No, it ain't too much, no, it ain't too much. Rest of the women, her family. Girl, how you manage to get all that booty in your pants? Come on now, but I can't see you dance, 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 dance. No, it ain't too much. No, it ain't too much. It's just enough. The way you move, that big old butt, that one I love. No, it ain't too much. No, it ain't too much. That one I love. Be a woman with a big old, big old, big old, big old, big old. She'll hum the cat. Lift that ass up like a Uncle Jack. I'm on my butt, that girl is bad. That girl up and the dance. Too much booty in the pants. When I reach my hand, that's where I'm standing. Ass around, drop it everywhere. Booty, 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 rockin' everywhere. Look at that booty. What you doing with all that? See her bounce it, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it, round and round. Yeah, throwing that thing back. See her twerking later, motivator. See her have you with a train. All she gotta do is hit the floor and it's just enough. The way you move, that big old butt, that one I love. No, it ain't too much. No, it ain't too much. That one I love. Be a woman with a big old, big old, big old, big old, big old butt. What your mama tell you? Face down, bag it up. Say, what your mama tell you? The way she shake it, what she gon' get stole. Say, what your mama tell you? Put your hands on your knees and your bones on your thighs. Say, what your mama tell you? No, it ain't too much. It's just enough. The way you move, that big old butt, that one I love. No, it ain't too much. No, it ain't too much. That one I love. Be a woman with a big old, big old, big old, big old, big old butt.
Ooh, there we are. We're finished. Let me tap this over here. Ooh, I was so into it, I didn't even know it was going to end. Ha! That's a lot of fun. It's very simple. You can see that you can just have a lot of fun with it and stylize, let your body move. And I hope that you enjoyed it. So remember, if you are not a subscriber to my Langdon's channel, please join and just hit that little subscribe button. Like the video, share the video, leave comments. I love that, and I promise I will get back to you. And other than that, if you're in LA, make sure that you look me up. Okay, I'm in the LA area. I would love to dance with you. The step sheet for this dance is listed below. And I hope that I will see you on the dance floor. Thanks.